sector of Lamu. And accompanying him are other younger people, including my brother Ongwel, Emmanuel, who has got a very high chance of winning the Ajuri County seat, wrestling it out of the hands of the chief opposition whip, Hamson Obua, and a host of others. We were really excited yesterday when we went to Erute North, where we met a young Isaac Ojok, heir to the home of the estate of Niro Gutmoy, polished young person. He prides of recruiting his father into the FDC from the UPC. And, that is really notable and really brings happiness, warmth in my heart. And we think that he is going to take a route north, by the look of things, by the way he carries